We're hoping for the best, but alam mo naman, mas madaming congressman ang kalaban ko doon kaysa yung mga kampi ko. And we're just hoping for the best. We prepared our legal defense and ano pa ba? Oh, yun lang. It's my first hearing in the ethics committee and I don't really know the process there, but I'll learn as time goes on.
Ano kung magiging device niyo, sir?
Magiging?
Depends.
Depende sa magiging complaints nila because I've heard they had multiple complaints. So we will just prepare our legal defense depending on what they will throw at us.
Dito mo ba magiging papas yung pag-release?
I mean, wala namang patas dito sa Pilipinas. We already know how the legal system works and I think that how the ethics committee will handle it is similar to how the legal system works here, which is that those who control more power or more wealth are those who it would likely favor.
Paano ba tatanggapin po yung decision sa inyo?
Ha?
Paano tatanggapin yung decision sa inyo?
Yes, kahit ng decision tatanggapin ko. And hopefully, actually, I'd like to invite all of you inside also para mapanood nyo, para makita ng media kung to see how this will go. Because this is probably one of the first ethics committee complaints here in the House of Representatives of the 20th Congress. So I'd like the people to also see, the general public to also see how the process goes.